This is me, Harsh Baliram Khobragade, and I am from class 7th A. My school name is Guru Nanak High School, as well as I am a student of Step by Step English Speaking Institute. So, what is your name first?
My name is Dr. Dhirendra Tulshiram Gaikwad. I am born, brought up in Ulhasnagar, and my name is Dr. Dhirendra Gaikwad. I am there practicing for last 30 years.
Okay, sir. I will now ask you some questions now first. What is your ambition in childhood?
Since childhood, my ambition was to become a doctor. Since childhood, I was determined to learn in the doctorate only.
Yes. What is your education, sir?
I am actually MBBS from Grand Medical College, JJ Hospital, Bombay. And then I did my super specialization in diabetology from Rahej Hospital, Mahim. There I did my specialization in diabetology. Then I was in London where I did my super specialization in diabetic food complications, that is any wound or burning or leg pain at Glasgow in London. So I am become diabetes food specialist also.
So, why do you want to become a doctor?
Since my childhood name was doctor, and I was thought, I can learn, I can struggle, because since I wanted to learn to doctor, so I was determined I can become a doctor. And so by grace my efforts, first I had become a doctor.
Was there any challenge for you when you was learning English?
English learning, since sixth standard, I was from vernacular medium, that is in Marathi. Then from sixth onwards, I thought I must learn English, because English is the commonest language. So then I thought I must learn English first, as well as in other languages also.
If anyone wants to learn English, what should they do?
They should do, if suppose you want to learn English, they should dedicate themselves, that they should devote their time to learn English right from learning from book, learning from friends, learning from their mobile, TV, or any series where the English you can learn from them, from others.
Many people can't or talk English. What is the reason?
Reason is that so the communication is the primary cause, that they cannot learn, and we don't compel. So the parenthood is the commonest hurdles. They think that the Marathi or the vernacular language is the commonest language, but globally we should learn English commonest language also.
So when you think I must learn English?
After sixth standard, then I thought that I must change myself, and then I changed from one of my friend. His name was Cyrus Arakel. He was Anglo-Indian, and he compelled me to talk only my questions answer in English. So in a broken English language, I used to speak to him, which he accepted. Then I gradually, in due course of time, I mold myself to talk in English.
Who is your guide?
Guidelines was from my parents as well as my friends and my teachers also from the college.
Okay. Do you appreciate you to learn English?
Yes, very much, because see, the commonest language everywhere you go. Suppose you are educated outside, the commonest language in learning any subject is English, not in the local languages. Local languages for primary educations, but further on you required the commonest language not only in India but globally also. You had to learn English only.
When you learn English, what do you feel?
At the college level, I was learn very much, and after secondary educations I started learning up, and college life I learned English too much.
Okay. If you get a chance to give a speech on importance of English in front of 200 people, will you give a speech?
Yes, actually, to be good questions you ask me. Actually, I delivered lot of talk in English only, especially my faculty subject, that is diabetes, hypertension, and my other subject also, amongst the doctors, other community, and nationally as well as internationally, English language only. Even I go from local people, especially diabetes nutrition camp, other camps, where I give commonest language, I give English. But suppose the patients are not following, I give other languages talk also, especially Hindi, Marathi, and Sindhi.
English is useful to become a successful person. Why?
Yes, because see the modus operandi for any subject you think that is English only. Why? It is the commonest in all faculties, and it you can deliver your knowledge which understand by other community also and other faculty also. So English is the commonest communications of a media.
What do you think? We should speak English daily 1 to 2 hours.
Yes, suppose those especially students from vernacular medium, that is Marathi or Hindi, so they can at least spend minimum 2 hours. Why? Especially writing and learning and talking, because learning, talking, and writing is only where you can spend minimum 2 hours and they can learn better English.
So confidence is good for learning English.
Yes, because see, the more you learn English, it is very easy. That your confidence gets more a flair, and you are very easy because you can come to know that the person in front he can understand well. So I feel the English is the commonest and easiest language.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving your precious time.
Thank you very much for your good questions. I'm happy Gurunav School taken this try to understand English more. Thank you.
Thank you.